Yeah, so the United States illegally divided the Korean Peninsula in half, enacted a military dictatorship in the South, committed genocide in the South on Jeju Island, and when the North attempted to expel us from their land and reunify their country, which both the North and the South wanted, we responded by killing between 1 in 5 and 1 in 4 people in the North, not soldiers, but like the elderly, children, the disabled, everyone, and destroying 80% of their infrastructure. We then launched a massive propaganda campaign against them to discredit them, and then used that propaganda to enforce embargoes and sanctions against them. And then in the 90s, when they had two back-to-back natural disasters that adversely affected the small amount of farmland we left them with when we divided their country in half, and they all started starving to death and begged us to lift the embargoes and sanctions so they could just trade with other countries to bring in food. Our internal documents said we were trying to starve them to death. Despite that, they fortunately managed to bounce back. Seems like they're doing remarkably well, given the horrific situations we have forced them to endure. Obviously, it's still difficult there, though. They are a relatively impoverished nation, and they have continued to ask us to please lift the embargoes and sanctions against them. And we refuse, which makes their quality of life harder. Glamorizing North Korea is wild. What? What about that's glamorous?